welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a Shopee haul for this stuff that I need for my van and other stuff for I'm giving away I'm sponsoring a giveaway for my friend's wedding. What I got is this big box, and I already did unbox it, but this video is gonna be more of showing you what I got. So first thing here is this. This is a dish strainer. See, this will definitely help me whenever if I'm gonna do my dishes outdoors. It's space saving. See that? Okay. Oh, there. It's here. There. Okay. By the way, I'm adding a description for my seller for this one, and I'm gonna add the price down below. So not bad, very nice. And then I also have here this I got two of this. This is some sort of a bag. This is like a bag, but I'm gonna need this for my bed sheets in the van, because some extra pillows whenever I do camping. I need some extra blankets for my friends. This would be this would be a great help, or yeah, it's like an organizer for my stuff. And the other one, I'm gonna use this for my as a laundry basket, but not a basket, but a laundry bag. I'm gonna use this as a laundry bag in the van. So that's why I got two. And also I also got this. This is a face mask holder. So it's like that. Just open it. There. So para hindi ma-dirty yung mga ano natin. Ano ba yan? Face mask. And of course this. This would be best for my van. It says this is an LED light with remote control set. So it's like that. And this is, I think, a sticky something. You stick to the, and when you open there, it's for AAA batteries. So 3 AAA batteries. Close it. 4, I have this LED light attached to my what's this? Attached to my power station, but it's consuming a lot of energy from it. So I prefer to just buy some replaceable batteries. Anyway, I won't be using more. I just need this for like an emergency. Whenever I get into the van, I just need to find something. This would be a great help. And so this is there's 3 of this, and then there's the remote. It has a remote, and also needs 2 AAA batteries. Very nice, right? So I'm going to show you how this would look in the van. all these three would look in the van. So I think I need to fix my ceiling, my banig ceiling. It's getting loose na. I'm going to show you my lights, guys. We're in the middle of the road here. So I have the switch here. Oh. So that's where I put the this on. I can also click on the dimmer. And then turn it off. And for the giveaways, I got this this empty it's already done. I mean, this is ready for giveaway now. I got this for 15 pesos each. So this is a wedding giveaway idea. Look at that. So I just added this thank you stickers. Yeah, this thank you stickers. This one is assorted. This 98. I got this for 98. We got this for 98 pesos. And then just added some ethyl alcohol on it. And that's ready for giveaway. Yay! That's it for my Shopee haul. Those are just a few items. But those are the items that I really need for my van.